Hello, welcome to the channel MNU Tricks. In another video series, we are going to discuss some useful shortcuts in Excel, which are uppercase, lowercase, proper fill, etc. Let us go to the data side. So here is the data, which has names, and the cases are more than 5,000. And the names arrangements are not in a proper way, like these are not in uppercase, not in the lowercase, or the proper case. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to convert the names in upper cases is equal to sign and then write upper. Here is the formula. Double click on the formula and then click on the cell which is to be converted to uppercase and then press enter. Now we can see that the case has been converted to upper case. So this is the first one. So now what is now just double click on this plus sign and then Excel will convert all the names to uppercase automatically. Here we can see that every name has been converted to uppercase. So but one thing is important here is that so behind this name there is formula. So to remove the formula, what is to be done is basically copy all these and then again paste either on the a new row or on the same row in as of values, not paste but as of values. When we will paste as a values, then formula will be converted to numbers. So now you can paste it anywhere in Excel's new sheet, Word, or any other case. So now the second is to convert the cases to lowercase. Again LO lower when you will write lowercase. So now convert this into lowercase. Yes, it has been converted into lowercase. So now again repeat the same thing which we have done previously. So now all the names have been converted into lowercase. But usually we need a proper format, like the first letter should be in capital, and then if and then the second name first word should be capital. So for that case we need proper case. So now let us convert into proper case. PRO, proper. So in proper case, anyway the first one is already in the proper case. Bird, other, like if we will say about Dur Muhammad. So Dur Muhammad is now converted into proper case. The first letter is D and the second name's first letter is again a capital. So this is how we convert text in Excel from lowercase to uppercase or from improper case to the proper case. Hope this video tutorial will be helpful for you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get new updates from the channel. Thank you.